using, which he initially wanted to combine with the previous video, but instead of separate it. I don't know how many videos that I basically got in the half terabyte with the process and those kind of bits. It's actually better to separate it as much as possible if it's basically still not really related. So basically this is explain everything about the last video. It was oximeter, which can also record heart rate but not heart tension or blood tension, because yeah, it's basically pretty cheap, less than $1. So it's, I just can't imagine, because during the pandemic those devices is pretty rare and pretty expensive. Maybe up to $50 perhaps when it's pretty rare, and right now those things just really didn't have any value, just like masks perhaps that used to be very expensive as well right now.